How to unlock home screen layout on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So when your home screen layout is locked, you cannot move any icons on the home screen. Now to unlock the home screen layout, simply keep holding the home screen. Now at the bottom menu scroll to the right and tap on settings. Now find lock layout. Now simply turn off this toggle. Now the next method is go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now tap on home screen and lock screen or simply tap on the source bar. Now type home screen. Now tap on home screen. Again find lock layout and turn off this toggle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.